welcome to my channel, and if this is the first time watching, welcome to you also. Look below, you will see the word subscribe. If you click on that, you will be subscribed. Also at the side there's a little bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification each time I upload a video. Now today I'm going to show you how to make a sugar wax. This is a 100% natural sugar wax that I find to be more comfortable to use than shaving. Now sugar wax is pretty easy, and because I'm using all natural ingredients, you know exactly what is going in this wax. There's no chemical, so you don't have to worry about any form of sensitivity. All you have to do is make your sugar wax and make sure that it is cool. I'm going to be making a soft wax, one that you need to use with a cloth to remove the hair. So if you're interested in this video, then continue watching. To make our sugar wax, we're going to use a few ingredients, and here we have some sugar, water, lemon. You need a spoon for stirring. I'm going to be using some salt, and you're going to need soft cloth, preferably cotton, like these. And over here we have a pot. So we're going to place our pot on the stove. You're going to make sure it's very hot. Once it's hot, you're going to pour a 1/4 cup of water and bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, I'm going to pour in 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to squeeze a half of a lemon. And then I'm going to stir. So this is after about 10 minutes. As you can see, it still needs to thicken up a bit. So I'm going to let it go for another 5 minutes or so. Now this is almost ready. As you can see, it is actually turning a bit brown. So now we're going to remove this from the stove. To use this wax, you have 2 options. Option 1 is where you pour it on a flat surface, like I'm showing here. You use a wooden spoon and you work the wax until it is completely cooled. Now this process takes a while, and it's really not my favorite. However, if you have the patience, then this is also a great way to use the wax. Now as you notice, the wax has become cooled and a bit thick, and first you have to test it. Once it is cooled to the touch, it is ready, like I have here. And then you're going to take a piece, you're going to roll it in your hands, and you're going to make a strip with it. Now during this process you have to work extremely fast because the wax is going to dry pretty fast. I really don't like using this method because I tend to go too slow, and as you can see here, my wax is already dry, so I leave that for the professionals. Now option 2 is what I like to do, and to do this I'm going to pour my wax in a glass container, and I'm going to stir it a bit. And then I'm going to set it aside to cool down. So now I'm going to leave this for about 10 minutes to cool down. You don't want it to get to room temperature. You want it to be a bit warm, but warm enough to be able to apply to the skin without burning. Once it's cooled, we're going to apply our wax. And now you can choose to apply this to your armpit, and you can also choose to use this on your bikini area. Always make sure to test, and this is warm enough. Once it is cool to the touch, then you're going to apply it to the area that you're trying to remove the hair from. I'm going to demonstrate on my hands. So apply the wax to the area, not too thick, and then you're going to place your cloth over. You're going to pat it. Give it a little rub,
And then you're going to peel from the area in which the hair grows. So you're going to repeat the process. To do the entire area you're trying to remove the hair from, you can reuse a cloth, or you could choose to use a clean piece each time. Apply, pat, and pull off. It's easy as that.
Now go ahead and use this on your bikini area. Also use this anywhere on your body that need waxing. To store this, put it in your refrigerator, and when you're going to use a second time, you put it on a double boiler and you warm it. Warm enough to be soft enough to apply to your skin. So there you have it. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to leave a comment, and remember, if this was your first time watching, hit the word subscribe below so you will be subscribed. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.